Hi! Hello! Good morning po, churchmates. Happy anniversary po sa ating lahat. Though we may not be there physically to celebrate with you guys, but our hearts are with you always. Asahan niyo po sa susunod na anniversary at gawain ay makakasama niyo rin kami in God's perfect time. Maraming salamat sa prayers niyo for us. I'm so blessed of being a part of this wonderful and bountiful ministry. Hope that through this video, nakapagdulot po kami ng konting ibig sa inyong lahat. Just continue everything that God has commanded us to do, and in the end, you will receive the prize that has promised. Ang wala.
Hi! Happy anniversary po sa ating lahat, to all the workers, sa lahat ng members, and especially to our most beloved Pastor. Maraming salamat po. We truly miss you. And nawa sa mga susunod na gawain ay makasama niyo rin kami sa anniversary at sa lahat ng gawain. Namimiss na po namin ang pag-serve na kasama kayo. Kaya nawa dahil sa video na ginagawa namin ngayon ay nakapag-contribute kami ng kahit konti lang para mapasaya naman at mapaganda ang ating pag-celebrate ng anniversary. Just continue the fire and the passion in serving Jesus Christ. And sabi nga, every good thing comes from the Lord, and He will never ever stop doing good in us until everything that He promised is finished. And maraming salamat po. Happy anniversary again. And from the bottom of our hearts, we truly miss you and we love you so much.
Amen. Bye-bye. Thank you. Happy anniversary ulit.